was a pleasant Sunday out there. Temperatures were quite comfortable, and we're going to continue to remain comfortable as we go through the evening. Temperatures cooling off only into the lower 60s, though. We have some moisture coming back at us tomorrow, and that is going to bring clouds and, yes, even a few showers as we go into your Monday. So starting off that work week, we are going to have to contend with some showers. You can see the rain chances here, about 20%. I think we might be closer to 30%. We'll just have to see how many of these showers hold together as we go through the day tomorrow. So just a few showers, temperatures around those lower to middle 80s. If we see less shower chances, we'll be closer to the middle 80s. If we see more showers, we'll be towards the lower 80s. So it's kind of dependent on the rain. So as we go into the day tomorrow, I do think we're around the mid 80s. So right around 83 degrees for our high tomorrow. And it'll be a pretty pleasant, pretty mild afternoon. Again, maybe a little bit of the muggies there just because we do have rain showers in store. But then by the time we get into Tuesday, we're looking at a much cooler air mass kind of coming in here and settling in. Look at some of these temperatures in the lower 70s, and that is definitely a possibility. If we see a little bit of shower activity as well, that'll also keep us on the cooler side. But I will say the trend is definitely cooler on Tuesday versus warmer. And then the trend overall, besides the one speed bump right on Tuesday, we're talking the heat coming back with a vengeance as we go towards the late weekend period. Let's time this out for you. Looking at our futurecast models through the evening tonight, we'll call it mostly cloudy skies into your day tomorrow. Models have been very pessimistic with the rain chances. So if anybody sees any of these showers, it's probably likely to be the southern half of our viewing area and maybe back further towards the west as well. So kind of a swath like this as far as those showers go. So not everybody going to be getting in on some of that shower activity tomorrow. And then as we head from Monday into Tuesday, maybe a few scattered showers kind of popping up here. It would be very light, and rainfall amounts from this is not going to be very nice, at least to help us towards some of the drought that we're trying to get rid of. So by Wednesday, we're back to those warmer temperatures. The sunshine really starts to strengthen and take hold as we go Wednesday, Thursday into Friday. By the weekend, I mean, we are going to be very mild. Now, with all that mild air, could we see some stronger storms? Not necessarily into our Monday. That's going to be more across the upstate of South Carolina, maybe up into southern portions of North Carolina, but rumble or two of thunder not going to be out of the question. Now, rain chances, again, just nothing to really write home about. The western half of our viewing area may get a few 100ths of an inch, and that's about it. Beyond that, we're not talking a whole lot of rain. So tonight, we'll call it mostly cloudy, mild, 64, the overnight low. So yeah, that's pretty mild there. Air conditioning's maybe working a little bit. Partly cloudy skies, slightly cooler as we go into our Tuesday, not so much tomorrow. That's supposed to be more mild. And then we're really going to be talking about the heat once we get beyond Tuesday. But Tuesday is going to be noticeably cooler, I think, trending towards those lower to middle 70s. And maybe a stray shower around across the triad as we go into the mid to late week stretch. So get ready. The heat's coming back. The humidity's coming back as well. It is going to be a hot start to the first week of June.